Alright guys, I'm back. I switched the camera and there's...
Go ahead.
back up.
It's going to take a while to burn down, so just lighten it. Alright.
Okay. I lighted it. Okay, I'm just going to back up. Whoa. It's like little mini fireworks. So cool. Oh my god, it's so loud. That Papa's being a savage. Oh, I want to set off another one. Where's the other one?
Huh? Right in my hand.
I want to set off another one. That's so cool, guys. Sorry, yeah, I got that. I got that. Boom, boom.
What's up? I forgot to light these off last night.
I'd say that was our neighbor. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Put it in the snow, so it's like throwing it in the water.
Oh, okay. Ready, Papa?
Go ahead.
Ready, guys? Wait, where's the thing? Oh, it's over here.
Stick it up in the air. Go.
I can't. It's not.
You blow it in the wind, that's it.
I can't get it. Okay, my Papa's gonna set this one off so I can get. And I also can't get it. Okay, he's being a savage and getting up close to it. I mean, I'm not so savage. So, yeah. I can't wait to see what our neighbor is. Okay, there it is. I don't know. I'll be back when I get this light. Okay. I'm gonna back up. You got back up. Oh god. Oh! Yay! Where's the other ones now?
That's it. I only had the two.
No, I'm talking about the two big ones.
The big, oh, they're
Hold on.
We're not going to light them off. They're not to be lit off. They're just poppers. But you got streamers all over the place. You'll have to pick them up if you do it.
What about the smoke bombs?
Huh?
What about the smoke bombs?
Don't worry about the smoke bomb. You can light them off anytime.
Alright guys, so that was super cool.
I wanted to see what they were like so I could buy them. Look at the moon.
It was very... Where's the moon? I can't... Oh my god, look at the moon, guys. Look at that. So it was super cool. Wow, he just left me on.
They're pretty cool, Paula.
They were very loud too. Okay guys, bye.
Alright, enough already.